Welcome to this tutorial on how to trade options on Robinhood in 5 minutes. Trading options can seem complex, but with this guide, you will be able to understand the basics and start trading. First, you need to have a Robinhood account and enable options trading. To do this, go to the account settings and click on options trading. Then follow the prompts to get approved. Once you are approved, you can start by selecting the stock you want to trade options on. You can browse through the various stocks available on Robinhood and choose one that you are interested in. Next, click on the stock and select the Trade button. Then choose the Options tab. Here, you will see a list of available options contracts, including calls and puts. A call option gives you the right to buy a stock at a certain price, while a put option gives you the right to sell a stock at a certain price. To buy a call option, select the Call tab and choose the strike price and expiration date. The strike price is the price at which you can buy the stock, and the expiration date is when the option expires. For example, if you think the price of a stock will go up, you can buy a call option with a strike price of 50 and an expiration date in 1 week. If the stock price goes above 50 before the expiration date, you can exercise the option and buy the stock at 50, then sell it at the higher market price. To buy a put option, select the Put tab and choose the strike price and expiration date. If you think the price of a stock will go down, you can buy a put option with a strike price of 50 and an expiration date in 1 week. If the stock price goes below 50 before the expiration date, you can exercise the option and sell the stock at 50, then buy it back at the lower market price. After selecting the option you want to trade, you can set the number of contracts you want to buy and review the order. Make sure to check the premium, which is the price of the option, and the potential profit and loss. Finally, click the Confirm button to place the trade. Your option will be executed immediately, and you can monitor its performance in your Robinhood account. Remember to always do your research and set a budget before trading options. It is also important to understand the risks involved and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. With practice and experience, you can become a skilled options trader on Robinhood.